Every year comes with new goals, and for many, improving finances is at the top of the list. But let's be honest, having a general idea to save more or spend less often falls apart without a clear plan. The truth is, it's not just about setting financial goals. It's about knowing what to prioritize. 2025 is a fresh start, and whether you're rebuilding after setbacks or looking to level up your wealth, this is the year to get intentional. Today, we'll walk through the most important financial priorities to focus on in 2025. These aren't just abstract ideas. They're actionable steps to help you take control of your money and build the financial life you want. Because here's the thing, success isn't built overnight. It's built on clear priorities and consistent action. Let's dive in. Number 1, build or rebuild your emergency fund. If there's one lesson we've learned over the past few years, it's that life is unpredictable. Job losses, medical emergencies, and surprise expenses can happen to anyone, often when we least expect them. An emergency fund isn't just a financial cushion, it's peace of mind. In 2025, make it your mission to either build or rebuild your emergency fund. Ideally, aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. If that feels overwhelming, start with a smaller goal. Even saving $1,000 can make a huge difference in handling unexpected costs without relying on credit cards or loans. The best approach is automation. Set up a direct transfer from your checking account to a high-yield savings account after every paycheck. Even $50 per week adds up to $2,600 by the end of the year. The key here is consistency. Building an emergency fund might not feel exciting, but it's one of the most empowering steps you can take to secure your financial future. Number 2, tackle high-interest debt. Debt is like a weight that holds you back, especially when it comes with sky-high interest rates. In 2025, make paying off high-interest debt, like credit card balances, a top priority to start by listing all your debts, including the balances and interest rates. Focus on tackling the ones with the highest rates first. For example, if you're paying 20% interest on a $5,000 credit card balance, you're losing $1,000 annually just to interest by allocating extra payments toward this debt. You'll not only save on interest, but also free up money for other financial goals. Commit to cutting back on non-essential expenses temporarily and funneling the savings toward debt repayment as your balances shrink. So will your financial stress. Imagine starting 2026 with less debt and more freedom. It's a goal worth striving for. Number 3, set specific savings goals. Saving money is a common resolution, but saving more isn't enough. You need a clear purpose. In 2025, define your savings goals in detail. Are you saving for a vacation, a car, a down payment on a house, or simply building a financial cushion? Break each goal into manageable steps. For instance, if you want to save $12,000 for a house down payment, divide it into $1,000 per month or approximately $230 per week. Seeing your progress in small, achievable increments keeps you motivated. Short-term goals belong in a savings account, while long-term goals might benefit from investment accounts. Use a savings app or tracker to visualize your progress and celebrate milestones along the way. Number 4, invest in your future. Retirement might feel like a distant goal, but the earlier you start, the easier it is to achieve. In 2025, prioritize contributing to your retirement savings. If your employer offers a 401k, contribute enough to get the full match. Otherwise, you're leaving free money on the table. If you don't have access to a 401k, consider opening an IRA. Even contributing $100 a month can grow significantly over time, thanks to compound interest. To make saving for retirement more manageable, increase your contributions gradually. For example, bump up your savings rate by 1% every 6 months. Small adjustments now can lead to big rewards later. Number 5, track every dollar. You can't improve what you don't measure. In 2025, commit to tracking every dollar you earn and spend. This isn't about restricting yourself. It's about understanding your financial habits. Start by reviewing your expenses from the past 3 months. Categorize your spending to identify patterns. Are you spending more than you realized on dining out? Are subscriptions eating away at your budget? Use this insight to create a realistic budget that aligns with your priorities. Apps like Mint or YNAB can make tracking simple and even enjoyable. Awareness is the first step toward meaningful change. Number 6, diversify your investments. If you're already investing, 2025 is a great year to review and diversify your portfolio. Diversification reduces risk by spreading your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate for beginners. Low-cost index funds, or ETFs, are an excellent starting point. They offer instant diversification and are relatively easy to manage. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, waiting for the perfect time to invest, remember this: it's time in the market, not timing the market, that matters most. Start small, but stay consistent. Number 7, invest in yourself. Your earning potential is one of your greatest assets. In 2025, consider investing in your skills and knowledge. Whether it's taking a course, earning a certification, or attending industry events, self-investment pays dividends. For example, if you spend $1,000 on a certification that boosts your annual income by $5,000, the return on investment is undeniable. Beyond financial benefits, learning new skills enhances your confidence and opens doors to new opportunities. Number 8, give back. Don't forget the power of giving. Incorporating generosity into your financial priorities can create a sense of abundance and gratitude, whether it's donating to a cause you care about or volunteering your time. Giving enriches your life in ways that money alone cannot. Set aside a small portion of your budget for charitable contributions. It could be as little as $20 a month. Generosity isn't just about helping others. It's about creating a fulfilling and meaningful relationship with your finances. Number 9, plan for big-ticket expenses early. One of the most overlooked aspects of financial planning is preparing for large, inevitable expenses well in advance. Whether it's a wedding, a milestone birthday, a child's education, or even home repairs, these costs can take a massive toll on your finances if they aren't planned from the start. By identifying any significant expenses you foresee in 2025 or the near future. Break these costs into manageable monthly savings goals. For instance, if you know you'll need $10,000 for a wedding in 12 months, aim to set aside roughly $833 per month. By spreading the financial load over time, you'll avoid the stress of scrambling for funds or resorting to debt. This approach keeps your financial plan on track while ensuring you're ready for life's big moments. Number 10, review